Very good morning, students. Students, we are going to do lesson number 9, the treeless grasslands. Now these grasslands, you can understand, they are all treeless. Now we are going to discuss what are the features about this grasslands. Students, grasslands, as you understand, is a stretch of land where only grasses grow. Like you must have gone to fields and seen grasses growing. But you must have seen that there are trees here and there. But these are grasslands without trees. Why? Because there is not heavy rainfall in these areas. Now as you know, when there is heavy rainfall, trees grow, as we studied it evergreen forest when we studied about DRC, that there is heavy rainfall every day. So trees have grown in those areas, different varieties of trees. But in this grasslands, wherever there are miles after miles long stretch of grassland, there you will not find enough rainfall. Because if there is heavy rainfall, the trees would grow. But luckily there is sufficient rainfall, otherwise that land would have turned into desert, like we have studied about the Arabian desert in Saudi Arabia, that there is hardly any rainfall in those areas. So those areas have turned into deserts. So grasslands without trees means they are in those areas where it is hot and dry, or you can say not hot, warm and dry. It's not very hot like we have the temperature soaring in the summer season. They are in the warm. Warm temperature means not cool, like not in the polar region, but in the temperate region. So all these grasslands are mainly basically located in the temperate region, where there is not very hot, not very cold. So here the grasslands are warm and dry, naturally dry, that doesn't have heavy rainfall. So basically they are dry and warm region, and rainfall is too little for forest. That's why there is no forest over there, or not much trees growing there. And grasslands are mainly in the temperate zone. Okay? If you see, I will show you the map. It is in your textbook too. Children, this map is given in your textbook also. Now, these grasslands are not just near your fields. Miles after miles of grassland, long stretch of land with grasses, and here you will see that grasslands are in the temperate zone in different continents. Now children, these prairies, they are in North America, which we are going to study now. It is in North America. Pampas is in South America. Talking about the continents. Wales, Africa. African continent, Wales. Steppes, Asia. It is not in our country, as you can see, it is in that region of Russia. Okay, and Russia, China, Mongolia, that side, because it is warm and dry. Okay, and downs in Australia. There is no such grassland in the European continent. So these are the main grasslands of the world: prairies, pampas, velds, steppes, and downs. Okay, children. So in the next module, we are going to talk about prairies, which is in North America, the grassland. and it is called the wheat basket of the world. Thank you.